So what this question is going to ask you to do is, how well do you know these rules? And they give us the values. So when I look at the first one here, let's see what's going on here. I see a product. So the product is just the product rule, uv prime plus vu prime. And they're asking us to evaluate at x equals 0. And so they gave us these derivatives. So u of 0 is negative 2. V prime of 0 is negative 6. Plus v of 0 is 8. Times u prime of 0 is 7. And then we just, let's see, what is that? 12 plus 56, which is 68. So that's what would be 68. Okay, and that would be A. Then let's see here. The next one's a quotient. Well, we know quotients are bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. So v of 0 is 8. U prime of 0 is 7. Minus u of 0, which is negative 2. Times v prime of 0, which is negative 6. All over v squared. And what's v of 0? 8. So that's going to be 56 minus, so they get 3 negatives, 12 over 64. And 56 minus 12 is what? 44 over 64. And I'm usually, my open math wants you to, or my math lab likes you to simplify. So let's see. I can divide both of those by 4. So I think it's 11 over 16. That's what they're going to be looking for B. You're going to have different values than I have, but this is how you do it. Okay, now we're going to do the reciprocal derivative. So it's going to be uv prime minus vu prime all over u squared. So let's see. U of 0 is negative 2. V prime of 0 is negative 6. Minus v of 0, which is 8, times u prime of 0, which is 7, all over negative 2 squared. So 12 minus 56 over 4, which is going to be negative 44 over 4, which I believe is negative 11. So totally different result. And for the last one, let's see. I see constants times the function. So remember, constants just come along for the ride. So 6v prime, right? Minus 2u prime. That was pretty easy. So v prime of 0 is negative 6. U prime of 0 is 7. Whoops, I forgot the 2. So negative 36 minus 14 is negative 50, isn't it? So that's what they're looking for there. Okay, so that's just testing you on the properties. That's all.